Hey, Marco here from Spartan Watches, your source for high quality Apple Watch bands. If you're already an Apple Watch user, you probably know about the struggle of getting your Apple Watch's release button stuck. I know I do. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your release button unstuck. Why does your release button get stuck? Like the team at Spartan Watches, you might wear your Apple Watch a lot. You might wear your Apple Watch to the gym. You might wear it while you get a bite to eat. Or when you go dancing with your friends. I don't know what you're into. The point is, you wear your Apple Watch all day, every day, for a long period of time, and a bunch of stuff, gunk, dirt, dust, whatever you want to call it, gets stuck in that release button. And over time, will build up and really jam that thing so you won't be able to switch your bands out. That's an issue.
You can rest assured, because here are the steps to get your release button unstuck. Firstly, turn off your Apple Watch and remove any case you might have on it. Press the release button and gently wobble the band back and forth, but do not force it. A small brush or old toothbrush may help you loosen excess dirt, dust, lotion, or gunk stuck in the band slots and release buttons. Run your Apple Watch over warm water for 15 to 20 seconds directly over the release buttons. You might want to try dabbing a swab of WD-40 or rubbing alcohol and applying it to the release button. Begin pushing the button down slightly to start releasing it. You may see some dirt and grime come out as you slide your old band out. We recommend you carefully clean the connector hole inside before you slide in your new Apple Watch band. Bonus tip: if you know that your release button is stuck due to it being full of dust or gunk, try using a vacuum cleaner to suction out as much of that grime as you can. The goal is to get your release button as clean as possible and run through the previous steps again. If you're still experiencing issues with the release button on your Apple Watch, please email support@spartanwatches.com and you will get help from the Apple Watch experts on our team. To learn more about your Apple Watch, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.